In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofit columns in Google Sheets. Autofitting columns makes every column just wide enough to show its longest piece of content, no cutoff names, no cramped numbers, and no wasted blank space. Here's how to do it cleanly and confidently. First, go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet you want to tidy up. Make sure you're in the correct tab and give the sheet a second to fully load so the resize applies accurately. Next, highlight the columns you want to adjust. Click the letter at the top of a column to select it. If you want a continuous block, click the first column letter and drag across to the last one. You can also click the first letter, then shift-click the last letter to grab the whole range in one go. Need to include separate columns? Hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking each column letter. Take a moment to ensure you've included every column that needs attention, especially any with long headers or lengthy entries. With those columns selected, right-click on the column header area. If you don't see the Google Sheets menu, try right-clicking directly on one of the highlighted letters at the top of the sheet. From the menu that appears, click Resize Columns. You'll see the option labeled with your selection, for example, Resize Columns AD. That tells you you're resizing exactly what you highlighted. In the dialog box, choose Fit to Data. This tells Sheets to scan the content in each selected column and set its width to the longest visible value. It's a great way to remove guesswork and avoid manual drag and check adjustments. Keep in mind that very long text strings, like URLs, can make a column quite wide. That's normal for fit to data behavior. Finally, click OK to apply. Your columns will snap to their new widths instantly. If something looks off, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo, or tweak any single column by dragging its boundary for a minor adjustment. And remember, resizing doesn't change your data or formulas, only the visual width of the columns, so it's a safe, reversible cleanup step anytime. If you select the wrong columns, click away to clear the selection and try again. That's all there is to it. You went to your sheet, highlighted the columns you care about, right-clicked, chose Resize Columns, selected Fit to Data, and confirmed with OK. Use this anytime your sheet feels cluttered or hard to read, and you'll keep your data neat, scannable, and presentation ready.